from the link reaction, moving on to the Krebs cycle, you have NADH, 2 NADH, and 2 pyruvate from the link reaction to be able to start the Krebs cycle. Because this is used for energy to be able to move on with this cycle of cellular respiration. So what we have now in the matrix of the mitochondria, where the Krebs cycle takes place, 2 acetyl-CoA have become added to oxaloacetate, and this is a 4-carbon molecule that combines to each acetyl-CoA to be able to create an oxidizing reaction, losing a hydrogen for each reaction, and creating citric acid, which is the main premise of the Krebs cycle. As the hydrogens are released from the combining of these 2 substances to create a citric acid, 2 hydrogens are released, and therefore NAD and FAD, bases for energy throughout the rest of the cellular respiration reactions and such. They add on to it to create NADH and FADH, so that way these get reduced in order to create more energy for the rest of the cycles. After citric acid, as well as the oxidation of the substances after it's created into citric acid, 2 carbons are taken out, and for each reaction and create CO2. And so this is just one example of one of them. This happens with both acetyl-CoA, so this is just one reaction, but 2 exist. So that would create 4CO2, which is one of the products of the entirety of the Krebs cycle, and it also creates 2 net ATP, and the reaction also creates 6 NADH, there's products here. So we have 6 NADH, 2 net ATP, 2 FADH, and 4 CO2. And after all of these are created and the products are available, this is used to be able to move on to ETC, which is the next cycle of cellular respiration, which is the electron transport chain.